What are you doing, little man? Do you want to blow raspberries? Hmm? Huh? What are you doing tonight? Hmm?
Who is that?
It's your little David.
Who's that little boy?
What you doing, little bug? Oh, is it Papa? There's Papa. What's he doing? Is he fixing things over there? Oopsie doodle. Oh, sorry, Mama's not so good at doing things this way. Yeah, kind of a quiet night. It's stormy outside. Who's that little boy that you're looking at? Who is that little guy? Who's that little man? Can you talk to him? Look at you sitting up. Look at you sitting up in Mama's lap. Would you help Papa with the dishes if you could? Yeah. Boop, 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 boop.
What is that? What do you have it on
Sweetheart.
that you get to see?